Look at that.
Golly gee willikers! That's the smallest jigsaw puzzle I ever saw.
Sure is. Oh, have you ever put together a jigsaw puzzle? Well, all you have to do is fit the puzzle pieces onto the board to make a picture.
Oh!
Easy cheesy. Stand back, everyone, while I put all these pieces in the puzzle. Gosh, golly, oh, my fingers are way too big to pick up them tiny little things.
Oh, no! If we can't put the jigsaw puzzle together, then we won't find out what Mickey's big surprise is.
Nuts.
Now, let's not get discouraged. All we need is something to help us pick up the tiny pieces. And then we can put them into the jigsaw puzzle.
I've got an idea.
This ought to be good.
We need a mouse-ka-bobbly-boo.
You mean a mouse tattoo? Goofy, say it with me. Mouse.
Mouse.
Ta.
Ka.
Tool.
Tool.
Mouse-ka-tool.
Mouse-ka-tibbly-too-too.
So I give up.
Everybody say, "Oh, toodles!"
Oh, toodles!
Now let's see. We have tweezers and the mystery mouse-ka-tool. Can a pair of tweezers help us pick up small things?
I think so, because the pinchers on those tweezers are smaller than our fingers. Let's pick them.
We got ears. Say cheers!
Yahoo! With these squeezer tweezers, I can pick up all the pieces. And now we can put that jigsaw puzzle together. First, can you find the triangle piece? Where does it go? Right!
Ooh, excellent. Now, which is the circle piece? And where does it go? How about the diamond piece? And it goes... Now, where is the rectangle piece? Oh, good! It goes...
And the square piece goes here.
What does this picture look like?
It's
the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse!
Hot dog! You solved fun puzzle number 4.